So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is prompt design in Vertex AI challenge lab. So first of all, click on start lab and open the console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Now here you need a personal notepad or any online notepad. You can open it. We will be using step-by-step method. Many of you were facing issues on the previous tutorial. So here is the updated and latest video for it. So I hope it will help you to complete the task. So just wait. Now here click on I agree and then click on agree and continue. Now basically we have to create some prompt. So please pay attention to step-by-step method. If you miss a single step, you won't be able to complete this lab and again complain that solution is not working, but the solution is working fine from the Vertex AI. You have to click on it. Okay, here we have to create a prompt. So this is the notepad. In the description box I've shared this GitHub repository. Copy it from here and just paste over here because we'll be using it again and again. So make sure to add in your notepad. Now from here you have to just check the create prompt. Navigation menu, you have to click on the create prompt like this. Okay, if you don't know, let me show you. Here you can see, just you have to scroll over here and see. Okay, Vertex AI, then create prompt. Now here we'll be creating some prompt and uploading the image as per the lab instruction. Now come back to task number 1. Here you can see the model. First of all, we have to switch the model. Now from here, click on Gemini. You can see 2-0/001. Now after that, we have to update the region or zone. So here we have currently the region. Okay, so I'm updating. Always update as per your lab instructions. In my case, it's US East 4. It might be US Central 1 in your case. So update it accordingly. Now once you have done this, the main step starts over here. So for the main step, once you have updated the region, you have to just update the image. So just click on this icon and import for cloud storage. Now here they will update the directory, basically the folder also. So you have to check from the lab instruction and now follow the way along me. Now just do it and just select it. Now you have added the images. Once the image is added, we have to add multiple prompts like this. So where to find the prompts? As I said earlier, in the GitHub repo. If you have copied not, just copy it now. Now just copy this first prompt over here and you have to paste on your Vertex AI's notebook section. So how you have to paste? You have to copy from here, okay, and then come back to the Vertex AI section. Just here, click over here and paste over here. And to generate, you have to click on this send button. Basically it's submit here, it's send. Many people say it's send. So finally first prompt has been executed. Now similarly we have to run both these prompts. You can see here, just run the second prompt like this. And now a time will come for the third prompt also. Once let it be completed, and here we'll be running the third prompt. Copy over here, paste over here, and just run this. So finally it is being done. Now here basically we have to save the prompt too. So once all things have been done, we have to save the prompt. And sometimes what happens, you are unable to find the region. In such cases, you can wait for a few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, and you can do one thing, you can close also. You can see here, save and close is here. You can just close and wait for a few seconds. And then again you can click on the save. Now let me show you. Make sure that first of all select the region, and for the name come back to the lab instruction. You have to copy the name from the lab instruction. Okay, here is the name, I think. Let me show you. Yes, symbol product analysis. Copy the name carefully and just paste over here and then click on save. By default auto save is enabled. That is, when you scroll in this page only, it will show auto save. Make sure to turn it on because it will help us to complete the lab. Now this will take 5 to 7 minutes, so just wait for it, and once it's saved, we'll move forward to the next step. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe it and like the video. So until this gets properly saved, you won't be able to get the score. If you want to check the score, you can see you won't be able to get the score instantly. Wait for this to completely save first of all, and then only check the score. So finally it's saved, and on the top also you can see it's saving. So once you see like this output that all things have been properly saved, then only you will move forward with the lab instruction and check the score and then initiate the next step. Okay, I hope you are understanding. We'll check the score and you can see we'll get the score without any issue. If you have followed the way I have done, you won't get any issue on this lab. Now here for the task number 2, many were facing issues, so please pay attention to it because this task is a little bit tricky, and no need to worry. If you are following me, you will complete it very easily. So just again create a new prompt. Now here what you need to do, here we have to add a system instruction and example. First of all, let's update the model, again the same model, and similarly the region also. Always update these two as per the lab instruction. So basically sometimes they update the model too. So you have to just cross verify from here. Now here do not check the score because we haven't done the task. First of all, we will complete the task, then only we will check the score. Now for system instructions, copy this, copy carefully and come back here and just select it and paste over here. Now for input, we have to add examples. So just copy input, and here you can see this one. You have to click over it and in input section paste it, and for output section paste this one. Okay, so once you have done this, you have to click on add examples. Basically we are adding examples and we will testing the prompt. So once this is done, just click on add examples, and now from here you can see input and key prompt are here. So for input characteristics, just copy it from here. Okay, just copy it from here, come over here, and you can see prompt and input area. You have to paste this in input area. Many are making mistake that they are just pasting on the prompt area. So just paste over here, and the second one, you have to just paste the second one. You can see solar charging capability from here to health. You have to just copy it carefully and just paste on the prompt area. Okay, prompt area you have to paste. So just select it carefully. Once you have selected it, come back here and in the prompt area paste it and just send it. Now it will generate the model response, and here it's getting auto saved. Basically it's getting auto saved, but we have to just use as per the lab instruction. First of all, copy the name from the lab instruction. This one is the name. So you may get the score. Still we have to update the file name because you may face issue in the next task. So once you have updated this and it is being saved already, if it does not show auto save, there will be save icon, basically save button. You have to click on it and it will be saved. Now task number 3 and task number 4 is very easy. You have to just pay attention to whatever I do. Just click on continue. Now basically we have to open a Vertex AI workbench. Okay, first of all, from the dashboard, enable all the recommended APIs, and then we'll move forward to the workbench section. Okay, so now click on the workbench. Now once you have click on the workbench, we will be redirected to the Jupyter Notebook page. Here we can create user manage instances and many more things. So here it's ready. Now many of you are facing some issues like files are not visible. So I'll tell you, first of all, you have to reset. No need to create any instance, you have to just reset. Okay, so just click on this and click on reset. So it will take some time and it will be reset within few seconds. After that we'll open. So once it will be reset, it will show again like previously. It will show ready, a green tick mark. Okay, over here where I am showing the mouse cursor. Now once it's ready, click on open Jupyter Lab. Now sometimes what happens, you may face unnecessary error which you will see in this video only. And in such cases you have to come back to the lab instruction and open Jupyter Lab notebook. And you can do one thing, you can reload also. Okay, like this you have to open it. And as you can see, let me show you. This kind of error is very common in Jupyter Lab. So in such case, you can do one thing, you can reload also or come back within the Vertex AI workbench and just try to open the Qwiklabs again. Okay. Wait for the notebook page to get updated. Till then, do like the video and subscribe the channel in case you haven't. Once it is ready, here basically we have to create two notebook file and we'll update as per the Vertex AI instructions. So just follow along with me. First of all, come to the workbench section and from here click on prompt management. Basically, we'll be using build with code method. So from here, once you have clicked on the prompt management, you have to just check the prompt. Basically, we'll be using two prompts, one for generating the tagline and one for image analysis. So here is it. You have to just select one. They have mentioned on the lab instruction too. First of all, create a Python notebook. Okay. See, it shows like this. Click on this folder icon and you will be in the parent directory. If it does not show, no need to worry. Now click on this Python 3 here. Now from here you can see the name. Okay, copy the name carefully and rename the notebook. So we are renaming the notebook like this. So just rename the notebook and just rename it. Now come to the prompt management section and then we'll be first of all opening the terminal here and then we'll authorizing ourselves and then we'll run the codes. So how you have to do, no need to worry, I will tell you how you have to do. So from here come back to the prompt management section. First of all, let's open the terminal. Okay, so how to open the terminal, you can use the plus icon or just click on the launcher. Okay, and just open the terminal like this. Here are multiple ways. I'm just showing you step-by-step method. Now once it's ready, you need to come to that page. Basically you can see we have to open this one, symbol product analysis, right? So come back here, symbol product analysis, click over it and here you'll see on the top build with code. Top you can see here build with code. Click on here and just click on get code. Here multiple things are there, we have to just click on the get code option. Here make sure it's from Python only because we are using Python notebook. Now you have to just authenticate yourself. For that you can see number 1. So initiate this, for copy it and paste over here. Now it will ask you to sign in. So for signing in, use the lab credential, don't use your personal username and password. Now here type Y and hit enter. Now open this URL. Okay, here you have to just select your student account and just click on continue, and after that just click on allow. So once you have done this, you'll get this one and here you have to paste this code and hit enter. Now finally it's signed in. Now again come to the image analysis file and run the next command. In the next command we have to modify some of the prompts and then only you will be able to complete this particular lab. Similarly for the last task too. So just copy from here and just come to this file and on any shell, basically this, paste over here and first run this shell. Once the kernel is idle, we'll modify the file. It will take fraction of seconds. So you can see the prompt has loaded the data. Now here we have to modify the prompt again and again until we get the score. So where is the prompt? You can see with this inverted commas here multiple texts are written. So for that currently you can do one thing, you can just update it like this. Let me show you how you have to update. From here let's select the smallest one. From the lab instruction copy this prompt, okay, and just update it like this. Make sure the structure is same as per the Jupyter notebook. Basically the code structure does not change yes due to copy pasting. Now once it's done, you'll see the kernel is now idle. Now once it's idle, we have to just check another prompt if we do not get the score. So let me modify some of the prompt also. You can see we can change this one also. So I think let's modify all the fonts. Sorry, prompts, not forms. Updated, run it. Now once you have updated this one also, the records are just updating. So finally the records have been updated. Now if you try to check the score, you may not get instantly the score because it takes time to update the score. So for benefit of doubt, we are just updating one more prompt. Okay, one more prompt will update. So come over here. I know this lab is a little bit lengthy, but if you want something, you need to complete something. So just which form, can you suggest which prompt should we update? Also comment down. Are you enjoying this lab? Now here multiple responses are here, but we don't have to use it, and we'll be using only the template response as per our creation. Now from here you can select this one and just update it. Okay, you can update it if you want. And just run it. See, basically there are multiple prompts and you have to try updating each one and you will definitely get the score. So even if you face this kind of error, don't need to worry. I'm just showing the error because many of you have facing this kind of error, and if I skip this part you may tell this is not working, so I am just explaining each and everything. So here just try to update the last prompt also like this. Just run it. Basically sometimes what happens, if any prompt is not updated, you have to update it. So you have to just check it like this. Okay, just follow the way. I am done. Now if you check the score, you'll definitely get the score without any issue. Now task number 4 is again similar thing. We have to create a tagline generator. So for that, copy the name over here. Now create a new Python file. Rename it. And once you have renamed, all things are cleared. Okay. So here you have renamed it. Now the next step is that you have to come to the prompt management again. Now here you may get this kind of error. So in this case you have to click on continue and then move again. So no need to worry about it because it's already saved over here. And here from here just select the correct prompt. Which prompt you have to select? No need to worry, I am going to tell you. So here just select which prompt we have to select. Tagline generator. Just click over it. Now here we have to again open build with code and Python. Just click on get code, and first of all you have to authenticate yourself. So for that, copy this one and again open any terminal. You can use the previous one also. Now paste over here. Now again you have to just type Y and then hit enter. Okay, you have to just type Y and hit enter again. So once you have done this, you have to just open this link again and just sign in. Okay, so just select it and just click on continue. And just click on allow. Now here you have to just again paste this to the terminal session of the Vertex AI Jupyter notebook. Now once it's done, open the tagline generator file. I hope you have created it. Now copy this, come over here and just paste it. Okay, you have to paste it, and here also we have to modify some of the prompts. How you will modify? I will tell you, no need to worry about it. First of all, run it and wait for the kernel to get idle. Now here basically we have to update the text. Basically the textual material we have to update. So how we'll do? First of all, you can see from the lab instruction, we have to do these many things. First of all, copy this prompt which is nature related. So just copy it from here. Copy it carefully, and here you can see no that kind of prompt section is here, but we will modify. You can see here it's text. There is mention of text. You can see, just update this one. Okay, just update this one from the prompt which we have just now copied. Don't worry, just copy and replace it carefully. You'll be able to get the score. About this prompt, you have to copy from here. I hope you have copied it carefully. Now once you have copied it, come back to the Vertex AI section. Okay, come back over the Vertex AI section. Now here we are updating the prompt. Okay, so from here to here, just drag your mouse cursor and update it like this. So once it is updated, try to check the score. You can see it may take some time to update the score, so you can wait for it, or you can just follow one thing. What you can do, you can update the other prompt also. Okay, let me show you how you have to update. If you are unable to get the score, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and again check the score. If you are unable to get the score, proceed with the next steps. Back here, and from here you can see multiple text are here. So here what you can do, you can try to update this prompt also. Okay, from here to here, just update the prompt again and make sure it's related to nature only, so you may get this kind of output. So no need to worry about it. Try to check the score again, and if you are still unable, I am showing all the possible ways how to fix this lab. So if you have got the score, you can enter lab, and if not, just follow the way along with me. Okay, now here let's check the score. Come to the notebook. Now here we will undo the changes which we have done just now. Okay, so here you can see over here are multiple texts are here, so just use Control Z over here. Now the file will be automatically updated. Now just rerun the command again. Okay, just use this play button and you can see we are getting the score. So this is how you have to modify the file. I hope you have understood each and everything, and that's how we completed this lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you're unable to see the score on this checkpoint, you can reload the browser window also. So that's how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.